Some of the first days were, I guess perhaps like starting any business, there's days you wake up and go, what am I doing? Because this isn't going to work.
Bought a used machine that was held together with duct tape, rubber bands, and springs. Within months, we started making our first drip edge. We were in a garage that had low light. I sometimes say zero light, but there was some light in it.
There was no office, there was a bathroom, and so we set up a little desk with a typewriter and the toilet right there.
But in those days, you spent little time there just because you were on the machine trying to fix it to make product. You'd spend all day fixing a machine to maybe make 1,000 feet, where today's equipment will make 1,000 feet every 30 minutes.
We really weren't necessarily that smart, but what we were good at is listening to distributors.
A very memorable call was in Benton Harbor. Got a couple parts and put a keychain in them.
A little loop and a couple different colors and one single sheet of paper listing everything that we made. I went down there and set it on the desk and said,
I'm Tom with Quality Edge, and we have an offering to drip edge.
Looked at everything and said, well, let me think about it. A couple days later, got this incredible order. I think the light bulb maybe started to go off then going, I don't know if I can fit it all on the truck that we bought.
Started off with literally 5 items, 5 SKUs. And today it's maybe 4,000 with the colors and profiles. So it's just hard to fathom for me, really. But what's consistent even today, 35 years later, is all of those products have been just input from the distributor that Quality Edge and the current team today just listens to the customer.
The culture that was originally set at Quality Edge is still here 35 years later, and that's amazing. And I think that culture that's been set is going to continue on. It's purposefully integrated here, and I think that's going to, in 50 years, people are going to just say that's where that's the best product, and that was the goal, is to make the best product. It's really that simple.